is Shaby, your go-to channel for learning networking, Cisco Packet Tracer, and real-world IT skills. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your very first network in Cisco Packet Tracer step by step. So, first, when you start a Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to switch off the Wi-Fi connected in your laptop. So, let's begin. Here we go. So, I will give you the small explanation about Cisco Packet Tracer. This Cisco Packet Tracer app is used. It's a network simulation tool used to design and test networks. It's free for students through Cisco Networking Academy. So we are doing here the basic setup of the network using two PCs and one switch. So we will take two PCs first, here and here. Then we will take a switch. So for switch we have to go in network devices. In network devices, here are the switches. So we will take this 29 series switch, then connect it with a straight copper straight through cable. So this is the, yes, you will select this and connect with a switch. Okay. And this and two. After that we will assign the IPs to the PCs. First we will assign the IP to the PC0. So click on this, then go to the desktop, then command prompt, sorry, go to physical desktop. You have to go the IP configuration. So we'll give the IP here. So we'll give the IP like public IP, sorry, private IP, class C, 192.168.10.10. So when we click on subnet mask, it will automatically take the subnet. So we have assigned the IP to the PC0, then cut this, then click on the PC1, same process, desktop, IP configuration 192.168.10.20, same. Okay, so let's check by ping it from one PC to another PC. So click on PC0, then open a command prompt, type command ping, then IP address of another PC, 192.168.10.20. So let's check it's pinging or not. Okay, so we can clearly see it's sending the packets to another PC and receiving the packets from another PC. So let's test with the another PC. So here we click and open the command prompt, then ping with 192.168.10.20, enter. So here we can clearly see the this PC also can also sending the packets to the PC0 and receiving the PC from that. So here is the basic setup of the in the basic network setup in the Packet Tracer app. So we have to keep in mind that there is not incorrect cable types, IP mismatch, power issues on switch PC. So thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more beginner friendly networking tutorials. Thank you.